up there, kid. Look, that kid. Look, that. Look. Look, that. Look. Kid.
I'm not gonna throw it.
Here, King, put this in a weed bucket.
Daddy's looking for a worm for you, okay? He's also pulling the potatoes up. Look at them potatoes. Look at all them potatoes.
And my kitten. I found it.
I'm sorry, Spider-Man. You see all them potatoes? Oh, not the whoa. Got so many.
The potato.
I just scratched that.
And money.
Good job. Here's another one.
And he knows.
Yeah.
And another. And another one. That
Hey,
kitten.
King, look over here.
Huh?
Look under here. Under here.
Kitten.
Yep, keep digging. There's some under there. Oh, worm.
I can hold it.
There's some potatoes over here.
Look.
Get that one.
Yeah, buddy.
Finish digging right there.
Oh, Tizzle.
It's a baby one.
Good job.
Up. Stick your hand in there. Some in there.
Ooh wee.
That's it. Tizzle.
Maybe a baby.
I'm going on video.
See potato?
Tizzle. Uh-oh. And then right here.
Y'all see all these potatoes?
I'm going to okay. Whoa! That is a lot. That was more than I saw. At first, Daddy put them in there. Look.
Not these. He put some old potatoes in there.
Oh.
And then these grew.
New potatoes.
This is our batch of potatoes grown in leaves, no dirt. And then these are the peanuts, non-roasted peanuts from the store, planted and now growing. Woo-hoo.
Mama, look. Mommy, look. I make it.
As always, I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. This was our first ever potato harvest, and I think it came out pretty good. We grew these potatoes and only just a pile of leaves. If you have any new ways or special methods you grow your potatoes, leave it in the comment section and let me know, because I definitely would like to give it a try. If you haven't had a chance to check out the previous videos or the previous updates of the potato harvest, you can always go back and check them out. It'll show you the processes of how I planted them and what I did. In my opinion, it's always great to grow your own food. With that being said, I just want you to know that we can't grow unless we all grow. I grow, you grow, we all grow.